Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the EVMEDIX SBS EV53 Smart Scale, a modern electronic bathroom scale designed to help users monitor their weight and better understand their health data. At first glance, the scale features a sleek and minimalist design that looks great in any bathroom. Its slim profile and modern digital display create a clean and premium appearance while remaining easy to use on a daily basis. Unlike traditional scales that simply show your weight, this model is designed to provide additional information that can help users track their health goals more effectively. One of its most notable features is BMI, or body mass index calculation, which gives users a broader view of their physical condition. Using the scale is simple. Just step on the platform, and within seconds the display presents clear and easy-to-read measurements. For people focused on fitness, weight management, or maintaining a healthy lifestyle, regular tracking can be extremely valuable. By monitoring changes over time, users can better understand the effectiveness of their nutrition plans, exercise routines, and overall wellness habits. Another advantage is the compact design. The scale doesn't take up much space and can easily fit into modern bathrooms, apartments, or home gyms. Its durable construction is designed for everyday use while maintaining consistent performance. Overall, the EVMEDIX SBS EV53 offers a practical combination of accuracy, convenience, and health-focused functionality. Thank you for watching this review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which smart health gadget you'd like us to review next. See you soon in another video.